Hello friends, in today's session we are going to discuss next grammar topic, that is degrees of comparison. Before this session also we have learnt about degrees of comparison. So everybody knows there are three types of comparison. Now why we do comparison, that is also important. Friends, when we meet someone or else when we inquire about someone, somebody, something, that time but obvious we discuss or else we would like to know about that person, place or thing. It means what kind of information we want? We want to know more about that person, place or thing, and a word which gives more information about those things, person or place or any human being, that word is called adjective. In the session of adjectives we have already discussed about different types of adjectives and usage of adjectives. So adjectives are describing words. Whenever we want to describe something, so we need to take help of adjectives. So for this concept, degrees of comparison, we need to know or more and more adjectives, because this concept, this topic is totally dependent on adjectives. As I told you, there are three types of degrees of comparison. As I have written on the board, first one, that is positive degree, comparative degree, and third one, that is superlative degree. So these three forms of degrees we use for giving more information about that person, place, thing. So I will give you one example. You will get an idea about like how adjectives work here, how adjectives are more important for degrees of comparison. In positive degree, there are always root form of adjectives as it is. For example, big, or else good, bad, nice. Big, good, bad, nice, etc. Tall, short, thin, white, black. There are many adjectives. If we use as it is, so those adjectives are used for that positive degree. Why positive degree is called and why root forms are used, let me explain it later on. Comparative degree. Here this form is changed and it will become bigger. Means if we add er or r or else more, it will help you to identify whether the sentence is of positive degree, comparative degree or a superlative degree. If adjective is with er or r or else more, that time that is sentence of comparative degree. Here example I have given: bigger, taller, shorter, cleverer. These are the examples. Superlative degrees, they are with est or st or else most. And before this, article the is used in superlative degrees. Means it is very easy to identify whether the sentence is of positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So let's discuss how to interchange such kind of comparison of degrees. Means how to change positive degree into comparative degree, how to change comparative degrees sentences into positive degrees, and how to change superlative degree sentences into positive degree sentences and comparative degree sentences. Let's start. First we will discuss if the sentence is given of positive degree, that time we must change it into only in comparative degree. One more time I will repeat it. If the sentence is given of positive degree, if the question is asked of positive degree, that time we must change it into only in comparative degree. Take an example. Here positive degree sentences. Then how it can be changed, that is also very important. First we have to identify that, as I have told you. While identifying positive degree sentences, those sentences are most of the time because as, after that adjective, then as, or else so, adjective, as. For example, as good as, so clever as. If in a sentence as, adjective as, or else so, adjective as, these words are included, it means that is the sentence of positive degree. It is very easy to identify that. First step for changing positive into comparative is what? We have to identify whether it is of positive or else comparative. Then second step, if sentence is in positive form while making it into comparative degree, that time we must change that sentence into negative. In examples I will explain it, but you just understand the rules. What is the first rule? We have to identify with the as or as so as. Second, if positive sentence is given in positive degree, we have to change it into negative for making it comparative degree. If negative sentence is given, then we have to change it into positive. Let's study with the help of some examples. This is example of positive degree. Rohan is as smart as Nilesh. This is positive degree example. Why? As, adjective smart, as. Friends, many students are confused. They think that this is comparison. No, not at all. Meaning of this sentence, you just focus on the meaning. Rohan is as smart as Nilesh. Here is no comparison. Now we are going to compare it. Positive degree sentence is there. Now we are going to change it into comparative. This is sentence. This is positive sentence. While changing it into comparative degree, we have to make it negative. And one more thing, Rohan and Nilesh, we have to change their places, as we did in the session of voice. As we changed subject to object and object to subject. Here, that is not, those rules are not applicable, but for hint, for technique, I am just telling you, we have to change their places. Here, Rohan is at the beginning, it will go at the end. Nilesh, it will come at first. Nilesh is Same tense we have to keep. Not. Smart, ER we have to add. Nilesh is not smarter than Rohan. Positive degree, Rohan is as smart as Nilesh, equal. Comparative degree, Nilesh is not smarter than Rohan. One more example we will study. Here negative sentence I have taken. Pune is not so big as Mumbai. Now we have to change it into comparative degree. Let's study them. We have to change the places. Pune, it will go at the end. Mumbai at first. Mumbai is here. Negative sentence is given, we have to make it positive. That's why not, we are not allowed to use that not again. Mumbai is big, it will become bigger than Pune. Mumbai is bigger than Pune. One more example I will give you because some students may be confused. I will take very short and simple examples. See, again one more negative example I have taken. English is not so hard as maths. Maths, again we have to change the places. Maths is harder than English. Positive degree, English is not so hard as maths. Comparative degree, math is harder than English. Isn't it? It's simple. Now we'll study some examples of how to change comparative sentences into positive sentences. Same rules are applicable. Only the thing is that let me explain it through some examples only. See, Geeta is more beautiful than Sita. Same rules are applicable. If positive sentence is given, we have to change it into negative sentence. We have to change their places as well. Now Sita, while making it positive, Sita is, now in positive degree we have to use so as or else as. Sita is not so beautiful as Geeta. See, Geeta is more beautiful than Sita, comparative degree, and in positive degree, Sita is not so beautiful as Geeta. Friends, many students, they may have that doubt when to use as and when to use so as. It's very simple. If negative sentences are there, if negative sentences are there, for example, such example, Sita is not so as. In negative sentences, we have to use so and as. And in positive sentences, we have to use as. I will give you one example. India is greater than Pakistan. Now, in comparative degree, we have to change the places. Pakistan is not so great as India. One more example. Hina is not stronger than Neha. In comparative only I have taken negative, then it will become positive. In positive degree, Neha is as strong as Hina. Hina is not stronger than Neha, comparative degree. And in positive degree, Neha is as strong as Hina. You must have understood. Now, comparative degree is used when there is a comparison between two people, places or things. Not more than two. One more time, listen it carefully. Comparative degrees are used. These kind of sentences are used for the comparison between two people, two places, or else two things, not more than that, isn't it? Here there is comparison between India and Pakistan. Here comparison between Hina and Neha. In previous examples also of comparative degree, we have compared two people or else two places. This is very simple, friends. Now, very important part. We will discuss about if the sentence is given in superlative degree. Most of the time, in your board exams, superlative degree sentences are given, and you should get an idea that always keep in your mind whenever you find superlative degree sentences, that time you have to change that sentence into both. Superlative degree sentences must be changed into positive degree sentences as well as comparative degree sentences. So now let's start how to change superlative degree sentences into these two types of degrees of comparison. So you may get two types of superlative degree sentences, first and second. Why these kind of types I am telling? It is for your better understanding. So let's discuss about first type of superlative degrees. Such kind of superlative forms are used only with the. How? Let me give you one example. I have given this example. Modi is the most powerful minister in India. Read that example very carefully, friends. Modi is the most powerful minister in India. Now this superlative degree sentence should be converted into positive degree as well as comparative degree. Whenever you find such kind of the before that superlative adjective, superlative form of adjective, before that superlative form of adjective there will be only article the. That time how to change positive degree sentences? We have to start our sentence with no other. Keep in your mind, whenever before superlative form of adjective there is the, that time while changing it into positive degree we should start with no other. Then no other minister, other rules are same. No other minister is this is answer. No other minister is as powerful as Modi. Getting it? Superlative degree question is asked. Modi is the most powerful minister in India. No other minister is as powerful as Modi, and then remaining words you can write down in India. This is answer. Whenever superlative forms of adjectives before that the article is there, we should start positive degrees with no other. Now let's start with comparative degree. Same thing is applicable for this the before superlative form. If the is there, that time how to change? Same thing we have to start. We have to start with the. There is no need of changing. Modi is most powerful will become more powerful. Modi is more powerful than any other. This word is very important. Than any other